break in inflation, a worldwide pandemic, and a potential recession makes for an interesting economy. There are things you can do to make sure your personal finances remain stable, no matter the economic climate. Number 1, tracking. An absolute must to have good control of your finances is simply understanding your numbers. Here are a few things you should always have knowledge of. 1. Income. You need to know about all sources of your income, benefits, side hustles, and even gifting, knowing everything you have coming into you over the whole year. 2. Outgoing. You need to know everything that is going to come out of your account, and this goes beyond your monthly direct debit and bills. You need to remember annual costs, maybe something like TV license, car or house insurance, and even celebrations such as Christmas, birthdays, or anything you may celebrate in your house. 3. Trends. This will be different for everyone. Maybe you spend more on food during a certain season, or the amount you're spending on clothes has been going up for a while. Seeing trends can help you adjust your finances accordingly and stay in control. Number 2, knowing your minimums. This is not about living an extremely frugal lifestyle, but knowing what is essential. Knowing that you have some subscription services that you could cancel at any time and how much that can save you can come in handy at times of need. How much can you save by not visiting the coffee shop on your way to work, going without takeaways for a month, or cutting back on some luxuries? Having a list of things in your head that you can do to lower your outgoings gives you stability in your finances. When tracking your income, if you see it's going to be lower than expected, you can initiate some of the savings from your list to level it out. Number 3, growth is greater than savings. Knowing your minimums and being able to cut your outgoings is great, but there is only so far you can save. You can't cut your costs down to 0. So if you can only go so far with your savings, what can you do if your income isn't going to be enough for your outgoings? Well, it's a balance. So if your outgoings are going up, balance the scale by increasing your income. Too often, savings and cutting back are prioritized over making more money. Sure, have a conversation with your boss about a pay rise or a promotion may feel challenging, but it is worth a shot. Alternatively, could you pick up some more hours or get a side job? I have a lot of videos about different ways you can make more money, with a lot of them being side hustles you can do from home. Even doing some surveys in the evening can help. It won't be a lot, but it's something that you can fit in around your lifestyle. A big part of this is your mindset. It's common to set up defenses and barriers to the idea of making more money, but it's worth trying to break free of these and having an honest conversation about where you could increase your income. Number 4, sinking funds. When it comes to having stable finances, sinking funds can make a world of difference. If you know you're going to have a £240 cost at some point during the year, then instead of struggling to find that in your budget on that month, put £20 to one side each month over the year, and it's there ready to go. Imagine having this for everything. Your washing machine goes wrong, and instead of the stress of figuring out how you're going to pay for a new one, you have a sinking fund that has money sitting there ready to go for your household replacements. This links perfectly with habit number 1, tracking. If you have your sinking fund set up well, you should be in a great place to have your finances sit well balanced and stable no matter what happens, even things outside of your control, such as a recession. If you want to get some more ideas on how to make the most of your sinking funds, then you can check out this video. Let me know in the comments if you have any more ideas on being financially stable. Subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.